guys.
Good evening, teacher.
Now we will take a science session, alright? In this science we will study something different about we studying before. Before we studying body parts of us, of me and you. This means we studying the body part of human. We learn or study the body part of human. Me and you and every one of us are human. So we learn the body parts of human and what each part do. So we learn the five senses. And today we will learn about the plant, alright?
Yeah.
This is plant. This is what?
Plant.
Plant. We are human and this is plant. 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 As we learn the body parts of human, we will learn the body part of plant. We will learn the body part of
Plant.
So we need to draw it firstly here. Look, plant consists of something named roots. Named what? Named roots. This part we can't see it because it under the soil. It under the soil. Stand up, please. Anyone of you can see something like that here?
No.
Because it's under the soil. It's where? Under the soil, alright? Under the soil. Something named roots of plant are there, right? And then we find something like that with a green color. Look, that's what I mean. That, alright? Green colored, elongated stem. Also, this is stem. This is what?
Stem.
And these also are is a stem, right? This part, its name is stem. These are roots, and this is stem. Be focused, please. Stem. On the stem, we find what? We find leaves. We find what? Look, these are leaves. These are what? These are leaves. These are leaves. At a certain stage of growing, at the end of plant, we find flower. We find what? This plant still grow to flower stage, but at the end of growing stage, we find flower. We find what? Flower. So this part is what? Roots. Stem. And these are leaves. Flower. Roots. Stem. Leaves. Flower. Roots are under the soil, so we can see them under the soil. Roots. Take the water and the food from the soil and give them to the stem to give us leaves and flower. Alright? These roots absorb water and food from the soil and give them to the stem, the leaves, to grow up and give us flower and fruit, right? And then we find stem. Stem hold leaves and flower. Stem hold leaves and flower. Flower has green color. With the sun, they help the plant to grow. And at the end we find flower. Alright. Now I'll try to show you roots. So we will do like that. Wait for me. I bring a spoon. Look.
It's more, not spoon.
Alright, no problem. That's what I find. I hope we can do that because the roots are. Look, this is root. This is what?
Root.
This is what I mean with root. This is what?
Root.
These are roots, and these, alright? These are roots. Look, I'll clean it to can find it. These are roots. These are roots. These are what? Roots. These are roots are in the soil, inside the soil here like that, to do what? To bring water and food from the soil and give them to the stem, alright? Then the stem can do what? Can give leaves and flower. Can give leaves and flower. Alright. And what does the stem do? Stem do what?
What?
This is the job of roots, to bring food and water.
Okay.
And what does stem do? Stem hold leaves. Stem hold leaves and flower. If there is flower here at the end, it will, we can say the stem hold leaves and flower. Alright? And leaves does what? Leaves do what? Leaves has a green color. When the sun comes with this green color, they can give the food to the plant to grow up, right?
Right.
Make with the sun with the green color, make the food to the plant, right?
Right.
And at the end of growing, we can find flower at the end of the stem, and then the flower give us fruit or vegetable, right?
Right.
This is the parts of plant. This is the parts of for the last time. This part of plant, its name is what? Roots. Good. And this is what? Stem. This elongated part is stem. Is what? This elongated part of plant is stem. This elongated part is stem. On the stem, we find what? We find green leaves. We find what? Green leaves. At the end of the stem, we find what? No, at the end of the stem, we find what? Flower. We find flower. We find flower. Alright. Now we finish the parts of the plant as we learn the body parts of human. At the next time, we will learn how we can grow a plant, right? How we can grow a plant. So now we can say goodbye.
And see you soon.
Alright.
Goodbye.
And see you soon.
Goodbye. See you soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.